welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cake for a colleague's wife who is having a birthday. And I'm really looking forward to this. I haven't made one for a colleague for a while. So they wanted a buttercream blue and white piped cake. So let's get started. This is an 8-inch devil's food cake filled and frosted with raspberry Swiss meringue buttercream and filled with fresh raspberries. I also colored the raspberry buttercream blue. I opened up the raspberries in order to allow them to sit flatter than they otherwise would. Then I frosted the cake with the blue raspberry buttercream and cleaned up the cake board. I chilled the cake in the fridge for about 15 minutes to let the buttercream set up. Then I frosted it again. And cleaned up the cake board again. Then, with some white buttercream I had set aside, I piped a reverse shell border along the top of the cake. Then I used these happy birthday presses to indent the words into the top of the cake. However, since the buttercream is already set up, it's stuck in the press itself. I refrosted a patch and tried again, but the same thing happened, so I just went with it. This is one of those moments when I wish I had used American buttercream because this doesn't usually happen with that buttercream. Oh well, I'm the one who went for taste above aesthetics. I piped Happy Birthday using white buttercream with a small round piping tip. To cover the marks in the buttercream, I had to go over it kind of thickly. I went over the word happy twice, which ended up a bit blurry, but I think you can still read it, sort of. Then I piped a shell border along the bottom of the cake. I nearly completely ran out of white buttercream. I ended up refilling it with the white buttercream I originally used for the words. I just cut the tip off and placed the whole bag inside the bag with a star tip. Then I piped a few stars into the border along the top. Then I piped some swags along the side of the cake. I piped a blue shell below the swags. Then 2 shells on either side of the first shell to make a fleur-de-lis. Then I filled the piping bag and piped some swirls on top of the cake. I piped some circles between the fleur-de-lis. Then I piped stars along the bottom border. Then I piped a few white stars on top of the fleur-de-lis in circles. I think this is a classically sweet piped birthday cake. I don't know your name, but I hope you had the happiest birthday, Chris's wife. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes.